Lâche-toi.
There's a party in the house and we'll be rocking tonight. So bring your body with you, baby, and I'll make you feel right. It's a freaky celebration of a natural kind, and the pleasure you'll experience will blow your mind. Let's bring it in the house tonight. Move your body from left to right. To all you freaks, don't stop the rock. Let's face the freaking and you know what.
Soulja Boy tough. Hey, I got this new dance for y'all called the Soulja Boy. You just gotta push, then crank back 3 times from left to right. Soulja Boy, I'm in it. Why me crank it? Why me roll? Why me crank that Soulja Boy? That Superman? That now why me you crank that Soulja? Now why me you crank that Soulja? Now why me you crank that Soulja? Now why me you crank that Soulja?
Mommy, up. Just cut for me, mommy. Just blaze. Okay, yeah, free. Okay, yeah, Wale. That tú quieres mujeres, she said she blow la la. Flip side, now she my baby mama. Get wild. Okay,
Freeway got the hood on smash, poppin' tick, step on gas and get coast, nigga. Freeway got the club on lock, step on stage, shut it down, leave with a brawl, check for an edge, post up, fans up and circle the block, call the cops, it's the rock in your area. Post up, distribute to the block, freeway, move the rocks in your area. Yeah, pop tried to shut me down, cops tried to shut me down.
Turned up, I'm headed to the function. Got the bros with me and we finna gettin' something. 3 red lights, I ain't talking about traffic. And I'm always with a baddie, never catch me with a ratchet. Gucci on my hip now, all the hoes love me. Then I hate to step up, but they ain't fucking with my Dougie. The song stop playing and I'm like, what now? Then the cops come in talking about shut it down. I wanna play a game.
thank you. You've been far too kind.
I shout out to my homie, Harvard Star.